The Ferrari, which one is this? Is this a, I don't know if it's the Roma? I can't remember which one this is, but this is, that's a new Ferrari. I'm not even sure of the model, y'all, so let me know if you guys know which model that is. Which Ferrari is this?
Roma.
Roma, yeah, that's what I thought it was.
That's a pretty good looking car.
It's got a crowd around it now.
No. Wow. Look at that.
That's a funny comment, man. They've Aston Martin the interior.
You got the McLaren Senna. Looks like a race car for the streets. See, what's sick about this is this right here is see-through. You can see right through the bottom of the door. So you got a crazy perspective of the road going by. A lot of carbon fiber. Crazy aerodynamics on this thing. I mean, look at this vent right here going into the back wheels to cool off those radiators. And the wing is massive downforce when you're hitting them track corners. You got a Fair Lady Z right here. This thing is squatting. Look how low that thing is to the ground, y'all. That thing is sitting on the ground. Got the wide body flares on it. Really nice stance going on. Old school interior seats. You're practically sitting on the floor here. Little roll bar. I like the fact that he kept it old school with the old school wheels on it. And the exhaust is sick. Got the exhaust popping out back there. That's pretty dope. Bumper delete. This old school Chevy truck right here is killing it. Look at this motor setup right here. Got a nice, looks like it's got an LS. Looks like maybe not sure what kind of intake he's running there, but it's definitely a modern motor, maybe an LS3 or something. Blacked out bumpers. Got that nice gray paint, and he's got the bucket seats in here, man. Oh, straight comfort with this thing. Look at the interior, man. He did this thing right. Got the bed all lacquered up. Bumper delete. Clean build. I want to go down here to the wheels real quick on this thing. Look at these discs. Oh man. Clean and just period correct looking. My boy stunting in the drop 560 80s baller car right here. Oh, this is 95, 96. My bad, y'all. This, but in the 80s, if you had one of these, it's, you know, the 560s all the way up into the 90s, you was the man. And his thing is cherried out. Got the AMG hammer wheels. Super clean. Look at this interior. Interior is just ridiculous, man. Classic Mercedes. There's nothing like classic Mercedes, man. You can ride in this all day and just feel like you ain't ever went anywhere. Ridiculous.
What's up, guys? Hey, you all right, man? How you doing?
Man, look, Macintosh in this thing, man. This thing is classic. Killing it with this. Oh, that's it. Hey, how you doing, man? Aston Martin SUV, you guys. Got the air suspension. I haven't seen one of these on the road yet. This is like the first. A lot of carbon fiber in the interior. Interior looks plush. You know, Aston Martin always does a good job with the interior. Looks like they got a decent amount of room in the back seat. Now that's old as shit. Now this is a clean Camaro build right here. I had to take my glasses off to see what color it actually was. Pop-up lights. The paint on this thing is really popping along with the trimming. He's got the classic interior look, but everything's been updated as far as the seats, man. You can see the seats are a lot more comfortable now. Clean center console. This thing is right.
This car over here with guy over here, real quick. Film him up. You love to put him on the camera.
Thing's badass, huh?
Oh man, this thing is sick, man. He did a good job on this.
Yeah.
14 grand. Hey, on Instagram, man, if you do the live video.
Now this is a classic Diablo right here, y'all. You don't see too many of these, and this color is this nasty. It's the iconic yellow. And if you look at the interior of this thing, it's just like a supercar all day long. It's got that monster V12 back here. The VT. With the exhaust coming out the back, y'all.
It's a direct replacement.
GT40. Thing's just like a race car. Ford versus Ferrari. Aston Martin in the house. Youngster driving this thing. All right, check you out, bro. Classic Rolls Royce, y'all. Little cute puppy here. Hey, little puppy.
His name's Nacho.
Nacho, what's up, man? You chilling? He said, I'm tired, man. I'm taking a break. Classic Ferrari 67. It says GT330. Check out the wheels, anything. Old school wire. Classic Mercedes 300 SL. Beautiful car, man. Timeless design. Big turnout out here today in Malibu, man. Cars and coffee. A lot of cool whips. Lots of diversity as far as what you see, old school with the new schools. Subscribe, support, leave a comment, let me know what your favorite car is. Big Herc 916, man. Classic Ferraris back to back, y'all. '61 short wheelbase. Big money.
Just to reverse.
Remember we used to see these all the time like they were no big deal.
I know, now it's a classic.
I know.
One of my all-time favorites.
That's a cool camera you have.
Yeah, Osmo Mini.
Where's Bubblegum? Where's Bubblegum?
67 Nova SS. Jay Leno's twin turbo Tornado in the house. Look at that motor, bro. Monstrous. I remember when he first had this on his Jay Leno's garage. Custom right here. One for everything. That paint is sick, bro. Hot rods rolling in here. Camaro, Bel Air.
See, while y'all in quarantine, I got that work. Split the coronavirus wig, man. Hey, go to the link in the description and get your limited edition coronavirus wig splitter shirts. Big Herc 916 getting down fresh out.